This is a Shark Week special.
Shark Week!
Yay! Shark Week is a cool thing this year. Since we have Megalodon, we're able to actually host a Shark Week special. So we're going to show you how to make snacks for your Shark Week this year. So what you'll need pretzel goldfish, is what Erin just did. You'll need regular goldfish, popcorn. You can pop it yourself or you can buy it pre-popped. Rice squares, also known as Chex Mix, and seaweed. Once you have the seaweed in, you make shark bait.
Ta-da!
And it's literally just like a weird Chex Mix. It's something to eat while you're watching
Shark Week on Discovery Channel.
Or our videos.
Which will be in a playlist here.
Above you.
Ish. Somewhere.
Enjoy your shark bait. Tell us what you liked and what you didn't like. We know Veronica won't eat it because of the nori, or she'll just eat around the nori.
I'll pick it out.
And check back and watch our videos while you're eating your
Shark bait. Yay!
Bye.